So here today, I'm going to go with the Merkur 34C and try to do a one-pass shave with a Gillette Perma-Sharp. I used it in my last two videos and it did great on my face with the Rockwell 60 and the head shave was fantastic. So I figured, hey, let me go back to what I've shaved with the most, the Merkur 34C, throw it in here and see if I can't do, a one-pass shave. And to mix it up a little bit, I'm going to go with what I have left over when I was still using disposable razors, this Edge gel, shaving gel. So I'm just going to apply some of that here. I'm going to go with the grain with the Merkur 34C with a Gillette Perma-Sharp blade. Pretty smooth. The gel's not gliding like the shave soap is that, most of us lather up and put on our face, but, it's working. Yeah, you can hear it pulling on it. Okay, the other side. Same thing down here. Dry it up a little bit here. Okay, let me give that a rinse. Okay. Always some left down here. I always have to go against the grain on my neck. But, everywhere else, pretty darn good. So, let me take a little bit more of this cream. And I'll go against the grain on my neck to do some touch-up. Okay. All right, let me give that a rinse. Did a great job with one pass. Yeah, I like it. Let me go over it with an almond block. I have to say the shaving cream, it wasn't as slick as like the soaps and the creams that I generally use. Little stinging underneath here, nothing lower. But the, I wanted to do a quick shave and see if a Merkur 34C, could do a one-pass shave. And it can with a Perma-Sharp for sure. So yeah, that was a great shave for me. Let me, all right, so yeah, that was a great shave. I'm gonna finish off with, what I always do is the Nivea shaving balm. Love this stuff. Okay, so the Merkur 34C with the Permasharp Gillette Permasharp blade, winner. It was like butter through my face. I had a little bit of irritation right here. Didn't cut myself, no weepers, no nicks. I highly suggest that. That Permasharp's becoming one of my top 3. Yeah, I think it just knocked out the Gillette Platinum. That used to be a good blade for me, and I think it just took it over. So yeah, did a great job. And don't forget, that was my 3rd shave, and one of those was a head shave where, it's dulling out, and I think it's only getting better. But hey, you guys have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video.